Making money online, this is so simple and legit. This website is called Bumble ZA. I'm going to share with you the link under my description box, so that when you're done watching this video, you're going to click on that link, and then they're going to put you through to this website where you're going to sign up by putting on your cell phone number and your password. And then by doing that, you're going to get 150 rand as a bonus. And then you click on refer. When you click on refer, that's where you going to get your personal Bumble link, so that you're going to share it with your family and friends. That's how you make this money, right? So now I'm trying to copy the link that I'm going to share it with my friends and family. Okay, this is how we're going to copy our link, and then you're going to share the link with your family and friends. So this is my wallet. I've made 150 rand so far. There's my balance, and then down below there's a withdraw and the pay icon. So this is my wallet. I've managed to accumulate 155 rand so far. So I just want to quickly show you how it's going to look like when you start to withdraw your money. As you can see, I've accumulated 155 rand so far. So the minimum starts from VIP 1, which is 250 rand, up to VIP 5, which is 6,400 rand. So I cannot withdraw this amount because it's too low for the withdrawal, right? So let's say for instance, I've accumulated 250 rand. So I just want to show you how it's going to look like when you have accumulated 250 rand. Okay, let's quickly see if we already accumulated 2.5, what is like, how it's going to look like if we withdraw our money. So let's say 250 rand, and then we confirm. Okay, please select the withdrawal method. Okay, I've mistakenly jumped on withdrawal amount. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry about that. I've got a problem with the network, so that is why it's keep on like jamming, and I have to start all over again. Okay, let's quickly go to the testimonies. So as you can see here, I've sent to my friend Dada, and then she said she's going to check it tomorrow because she's a bit busy, I guess. So okay. Okay, now you see my chat, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine, dear. So this is my other friend who accumulated 500 rands, and then there's my other friends on my WhatsApp. They accumulated their amounts, so they are showing us proof. So that is why I share with you, because like I believe it's working, and then I also send it to my sister. So this is legit. So let's get back to withdrawal icon to apply for the withdrawal. So let's start select at the bottom, not at the bottom, I meant okay, please select the withdrawal method. Okay, let's select the, so that's the way you put on your withdrawal account, your full name, which is your real name, enter the bank account number, enter the cell phone number, select a bank that you are using. So guys, if you are not comfortable with this, please do not do it. Okay, please do not do it if you feel like you are not comfortable by doing this. So this is how it's going to look like when you've reached the 250 rand upwards, when you start to withdraw your amounts. Okay, so when you're done putting all those details, and then you click on confirm, right? And then that's how you going to, so this is my my profile so far. I cannot wait to accumulate the 250 rands. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and like this video, right?